Hi, we're back again. Lunch was good, so easy lunch, light lunch, chicken sweet corn soup, and yeah, some salad as well with it. But overall, pretty good. But the service was very slow, so that delayed us like I think by about 20-25 minutes. Otherwise, rest of the journey is fine. The road now is much better. We don't seem to be facing as much as the barriers as we were facing earlier on. Okay, this is traffic lights, so we've got some policemen here trying to stop us, which is fine. So yeah, so stay with us and keep watching all the way to the Queen of the Hills. I don't know what this place is called though.
This is part of Malda, we don't know where.
But still on the outskirts of Malda district, I guess. Yeah? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Okay, the cop has said we can go. So that is off we go again. Yeah, there was some yeah, this Raiganj bypass is the new one, which is very good. And Google is saying that it will take us like 4.5 to 5 hours to
Gajol.
Which one?
Gajol.
Gajol, that was the city of Gajol, town or city of Gajol. So Google's saying about 5 hours. So we're trying to see how well we can progress and make up the time for less than 5 hours. We will need a little fuel break, small fuel break, but otherwise there's no plans for stopping anymore. Primarily because of the time spent on. Oh damn, that was not good. Okay. Pleasures. You just need to be very alert on these roads or any of the other roads which is not an expressway to ensure that kind of stuff doesn't affect your drive. Right, I shall sign off and focus on the road because we seem to be coming up to a bit of a easy type of congestion. Not a heavy congestion, just lots of traffic which we need to go past. Catch you guys in a bit. Bye bye.